We turn next here tonight to our cover story and a new state law adding restrictions on citizen-led ballot initiatives now heading to court. A group seeking to expand Medicaid back in 2026 is behind the federal lawsuit, and Capitol reporter Forrest Saunders is on top of every move in Tallahassee, and he reveals why that group is calling the new rules unconstitutional.
Just getting a citizen-led initiative on the ballot was already a difficult task in Florida. But now HB 1205 makes it almost inconceivable. At least that's what the plaintiffs say in a new federal lawsuit filed in Florida's Northern District Sunday.
These new rules are designed to make it nearly impossible for everyday people to have a voice in the laws that shape their lives, and to make sure that only the wealthy and politically connected have the means to get on the ballot.
The group seeking to expand Medicaid in 2026, Florida Decides Healthcare, is asking a judge to find the new law unconstitutional. In a complaint, they say its provisions are too vague and violate First Amendment rights.
Circulation of petitions is core political speech protected by the First Amendment.
Voted through and signed just last week, HB 1205 does a lot. It shortens the time to turn in petitions from 30 to 10 days. Circulators have to register with the state, be U.S. citizens, Florida residents, and free from felony convictions. Those signing need personal info like driver's license numbers or part of a Social Security number. Lawmakers who backed the bill said it wasn't perfect, but that it would better prevent fraud in Florida's constitutional amendment process.
There's not everything in the bill that the House wants, and I know that the governor would like some things in the bill that aren't there now. But at this point, you know, it's the last train leaving Paris. You can get on or you can stay. No, and that's where we are.
Governor DeSantis pushed for the idea even before session started. It was one of his goals during that immigration special session that ended up being just about immigration.
And I think part of the reason we're at this juncture is because the citizen initiative has really been transformed into a special interest initiative.
His administration now taunting the lawsuit's plaintiffs. Chief of Staff Jason Weida offering just this gif at news that a legal filing was coming. That's as the head of the Florida GOP, Evan Powers, said this in a statement. Quote, "These lawsuits are nothing more than political actions from groups that can't win in the legislature, so they're trying to buy their way onto the ballot. Florida's Constitution is not for sale." In Tallahassee, Forrest Saunders, ABC Action News.